Okay, so we made it all the way up to the top with the ahsa'arón. Goh niorde, goh anaga. Ona toha yung Wákhson, that non gordi hanyanji nyanji ahsáhsa negi go ahsa'arón. So I'm going to show you how you're going to finish this off now that we're all the way at the top. So we're going to take this off. You see you're here at the very end. And for here, we can just tie a knot for now. So I want to Tenhsnerénkhsi niorde, and we're going to pull it through the hole. Pull it nice and tight. And that's not working. Here we go. There we go. Now we got a knot. So you can just get a knot there for now. And then on the other side, do the same at the very bottom corner here. We're going to do another knot. Tenhsnerénkhsi. This one's a little bit easier. It's not as much to pull. And we'll take this off as well. And then you can just take them off. Off the pegs. And this is what you're going to be left with. And with this, you can kind of just try to stretch it out a bit, however you need to. Give yourself some room. And when this is all done, you can take these leftover pieces and cut them a little bit, and then you can kind of just weave them in and sew them in. So these last little pieces will end up being kind of sewn into the loops after you cut them a little bit. And that's how ahsa'arón. That's how you weave with the weaving boards. Tukani go nyawa.